Growing knowledge. Learn the phrase, plant a garden. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and commonly used English phrase, plant a garden. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding this phrase can add a natural touch to your English conversations. Let's get started. Plant a garden is a phrase that means to start and cultivate a garden. This involves choosing a location, preparing the soil, and planting seeds or young plants. But there's more to it than just the literal meaning. In English, this phrase can also be used metaphorically. It can signify starting something new or nurturing a project. This dual meaning makes it a versatile and expressive phrase in the English language. When taken literally, plant a garden refers to the physical act of gardening. This includes a series of steps: selecting a spot, preparing the soil, planting seeds or plants, and then maintaining the garden by watering, weeding, and caring for the plants as they grow. This meaning is straightforward and is often used when discussing actual gardening activities. In a metaphorical sense, to plant a garden means to begin something with the intention of seeing it grow or develop over time. This could be a project, a business, a skill, or even a relationship. Just like a garden, these things require time, effort, and care to flourish. This metaphor adds a layer of depth to conversations, especially when discussing personal growth or the start of new endeavors. Let's look at some examples. 1. Literal. I decided to plant a garden in my backyard to grow my own vegetables. 2. Metaphorical. Starting her own business was like planting a garden. It took time and effort to see it succeed. These examples show how the phrase can be used in different contexts while maintaining its core meaning. Understanding the phrase, plant a garden, and its dual meanings can enrich your English vocabulary and conversation skills. Whether discussing your latest hobby or your newest project, this phrase can add both clarity and creativity to your language. Happy learning, and I hope this video helps you grow your English skills, just like a beautiful garden.